Bridgerton fans, are you ready for the new season? Welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hello, I'm Maria from Maria Custo Designs. I'm really glad you are here. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this design. If you know Bridgerton, you know what this is. This is the flower in front of the Bridgerton house, or on the house. And it's really nice and purple. And what I'm going to do is this part is gonna be like a cool gold color, so it's gonna look amazing. So in this video I'm going to show you how I do this and how I'm going to make it as a pattern on FlossCross. And in the second video after this one, I'm going to show you what I'm going to make with it. So I'm going to stitch it together with you and we are going to make something exquisite. Are you ready? I'm excited. Also, while you are watching, let me know in the comment below which season is your favorite so far. Okay, next what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut off this because we don't need the string right now. Now, I did use 18 count Aida, not 14, because I can make more stitches, so it's gonna be more defined. Now, I have to find out how big my pattern is going to be. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fold it together so tight, so I know from here to here I have to count how many stitches, and that's right in the middle. So when I make up my pattern on FlossCross, I know exactly how wide it is gonna be. So let's do it. Okay. So I think I'm gonna do it from here, so there is like not going on the sides. Okay, so okay, 32. So I've write down across, it's gonna be 32. Now let's see this one. So it's the same, but I'm going to fold it on the top and fold it on the bottom tightly. Okay, because this is how I'm gonna make it at the end, so it's gonna be really tight and look like that egg. Okay, so do it tightly. Okay, now 43. So I know that my pattern is gonna be 32 by 43. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is change the color. So I'm going to add black, which is 310. Okay, now make a dot, and I can remove all the unused colors. Okay, now let's erase this, and we are going to make a square. So I'm going to make 32. So this is 30. Oh, why is it doing it black? Okay, click on the black now. So I'm going to make 32. So this is 30. 1, 2, and that is 43. Okay, now this one goes up here, and this one I'm going to copy. So Control C, Control V. Now when it's yellow, that's when you can move it. Now go here. Okay, not here. Okay, go back, and one more. That's it. Okay, mistakes happen, but it's easy to do. Okay, so this is the size I can work with, which means this pattern has to fit here. Now, because I have an oval shape, I'm going to use the cross. Okay, I'm going to use the circle, and I'm trying to make it so it's gonna. Okay. I need a bit wider. Okay, let's start from here. Okay, so this is gonna be the size, because if you draw the line, so it starts from here. Okay, so if it's free over, then it's freeless here, and as you can see, it's exactly the same size. Okay, yeah, perfect. Now I'm gonna erase all the back stitches. I don't need it anymore because we got the shape. Now I can move this in the middle. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is checking the color. So I have used this before, I think you saw it one of the videos. I'm going to check which purple I want it as the back. So this is like a really light purple, what I'm thinking. So I'm going to choose 153. Now you're gonna come here, add, write down the number 153, and it's gonna come up. Actually it's much lighter. It's which one? This one. So in the end it's gonna be perfect, even if the pattern looks a bit darker. Now fill, I already clicked on the purple and click on the pattern, and now you're gonna have the background. What I'm going to do now is I need to choose 2 more color for the purple for the flower. So those are gonna be a bit darker. I think I'm going to use 553 and 552. Those are here, and maybe as a backstage of 550. I'm going to add all 3 of them to the pattern now. Okay, so 553 and another one, 552. Okay, and as you can see, it already adds the different symbols. And let's add 550 as a backstitch. Okay, now the purples are done. I'm going to choose the green colors. Okay, if how I do it is put together. So I know these are the two colors for the flowers, so add them together and let's see which one looks nice to it, which is similar to the original flower. I like a bit yellow tonish, so 906, 905. Let's add them here. Okay, I'm not going to add this gold, the cool gold yet, because there is no DMC color for that. So I'm going to make that pattern because that's a backstage with black, and I know that at the end the black means the cool gold color. First of all, I'm going to make a line where I want the greenery. So it's gonna be around here. Okay, so now I know where to start or how to do. Okay. Okay, so there you have it. This is how I made the pattern because of this drawing I made. I hope you like this behind the scene video how I'm making my patterns. So first is the drawing and then I put it on FlossCross, and then you can stitch whichever you like. In the next video I'm going to show you how I'm going to make this as a nice necklace like that. So it's gonna be larger, so if you like this big necklace, it's like this big, then please subscribe so you will notified when my second part of the video will be uploaded. Thank you for watching my video. Please leave a purple flower in the comment below, similar to this one or any purple flower you like. I'm glad and thankful that you are here, and until next time, happy stitching. Bye.